If you're planning to start your study abroad journey as a graduate student or a business student, you may have to take a graduate record examination, otherwise known as a GRE. It's a step in the graduate school or business school application process. It's a multiple choice exam that helps schools compare applicants' preparedness and qualifications for graduate level academic work. The exam measures your command of algebra, geometry, data analysis, basic arithmetic, and college-level vocabulary. The sections of the test are 1 analytical writing assessment section, 2 verbal reading sections, 2 quantitative reasoning sections, and you'll receive scores based on those sections. Aim high on this test, as the higher score you get on your GRE, the better chance you have at getting into graduate or business school. Be sure to check out the school's requirements, as a GRE is not always required. And happy applying!